Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and defining function. This determines materials and structure. Mark widths and heights precisely. You need clear cut lines for panels and fixtures. Once done, choose whether you want built-in storage, floating shelves, or a padded headboard because that choice changes framing and wiring needs. Make sure to note outlet locations and switch heights. Electricians and carpenters will thank you. Finally, set a budget cap and timeline so trade-offs are obvious and decisions move quickly. You now build the structural backbone. Attach studs or furring strips plumb and level so panels sit flush. Concurrently, plan and run electrical, low voltage for LEDs or standard wiring for outlets. Label each cable and leave service loops. Once framing and wiring are inspected or confirmed, add insulation or soundproof layers if desired, then install backer board for tile, veneer, or upholstery. Make sure to sand and seal surfaces where paint or wallpaper will go, because adhesion depends on prep. You finish by applying your surface choice, paint in even coats, hang wallpaper with seams matched, or attach upholstery with consistent tufting tension. Once finished, mount lighting, shelves, and the headboard. Use anchors sized to load and check level as you go. After installation, verify outlets and switches function, test lights, and give shelves a load check. If something wobbles, tighten anchors or add a shim. Quick fixes often solve alignment. Otherwise, recheck framing connections and electrical terminations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.